Without compliance with all the documents that we are asking for you to submit, we will not act on the lifting of the contempt that this body issued 2 weeks ago. So we will be continuing the discussion pertaining to the other issues. Since the members of the PNP cannot answer back all the requirements that we are asking, we'll proceed to the Espacio Hotel. No? Andito yung abogado ng Espacio Hotel.
Mr. Chairman, I also can I suggest that we have to invite or not invite, direct or order the head of the directorate to come to attend the hearing, next hearing.
You put that into motion, I'll second.
Okay,
Yes, there's a motion.
So there's a motion that we invite Brigadier General ba yan? Brigadier General?
Police Major
Major General Tamayo to be present in the next hearing. Any second motion? This was duly seconded and objection, hearing none, the said motion is now approved. Okay, so we'll be discussing do sa issue ng are you done with the kasi since no compliance, no, so we'll be letting that issue go for the meantime. So we'll be asking sa Espacio kasi meron kayong sinabit ngayon dito. Nakita ko yung dito doon sa transient lodging agreement ninyo. Ang nagpasok is si J. Mar de la Peña Baybado. Is this correct?
Yes, Your Honor. That's what the records are.
Okay. O sino to? Do you know this?
Not personally, Your
PNP.
Honor.
No, in the PNP. I'm asking the PNP. You know this guy? Si Baybado, siya yung nag-book doon sa Espacio Hotel. Si Baybado J. Mar de la Peña. From parang Marikina City. PNP, do you know this guy? Colonel, si ito, you're raising your hand. Desden.
Demokrito po, Your Honor.
Demokrito.
Opo. Siya po yung yung driver po ni Sir Guevara na inutusan magpabook po.
Oh, so driver ni Guevara.
Apo.
Colonel Guevara, driver mo to.
That's correct, Mr. Chair.
So siya nag-book sa Espacio.
But I don't have any knowledge, personal knowledge regarding the instruction of...
Di ba sinasabi niya wala kayo sa Espacio Hotel. Ito pala, driver mo pala nag-book eh.
But I wasn't aware, Your Honor, that...
You're not aware of the decision of your driver to book you on this
Not me,
hotel?
Your Honor.
Sige, Desden.
Demokrito, Your Honor.
Demokrito.
Actually, Your Honor, kasi nasa labas lang po siya nung time na yun. Maghanap na kami ng tutulugan niya dahil puno na puno. Nakisuyo lang po ako na magpa-book na dun sa Espacio po.
Alam mo, Mr. Chair, alam mo, natatawa ako din sa, alam nyo, papalayain na sana kayo kung hindi lang sumablay itong PNP na ito yung directorate. Ngayon sa ginagawa ninyo, hanggang nandiyan na may dokumento, nagsisinungaling pa rin kayo. Dadagdagan siguro, baka gusto nyo dagdagan na naman namin ng 2 linggo yan. Stop lying. Nakaka-insulto kayo sa komite na ito. That's what you call pambabastos.
Hindi, ang maganda, Demokrito, dapat, don't raise your hand anymore if you're going to lie. Kasi, katulad niyan, tinatanong lang naman namin ng PNP kung kilala nito. Hindi naman namin kayo tinatanong eh. Sila na nga tinatanong namin eh. Sabi mo, pag sinabing hindi nila kilala, so, saka namin kayo tatanungin. Sinabi mo, kilala nyo. Sinabi mo pa, driver pa ni Colonel Guevara. Hindi nga namin alam na driver to ni Colonel Guevara. Because it was just submitted to us today, right here, right now. O ngayon, lalo yung... Di ba? So yun ang sinasabi namin nung nakaraan. Actually, hindi na namin ito i-discuss sana eh. Ang problem, Congressman Acop was looking for all the documents na hindi na kayo involved, di ba? But we were able to tackle this as well. Ito pa, nadagdagan na naman yung kasinungalingan ninyo dito. So nasa iyo pa to, Colonel Guevara, driver mo pa rin.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Civilian ba to? Or police or what?
Civilian po, Mr. Chair.
Civilian. Oh. So yung nag-book. So nakapag-book ka na rin dito dati, for sure.
No,
Don't
Mr.
lie,
Chair.
ha? Baka mamaya tatanungin ko na naman Espacio.
Yes, Mr. Hindi po.
Nag-book ka na dito before o hindi?
Hindi pa po, Mr. Chair.
Espacio, ilang beses na nag-book sa inyo to?
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Our records reflect that isang beses lang po, Your Honor.
Sa beses lang. Okay. Alright, so any other queries, questions? Kung wala na po, we will be asking no more questions. Aantayin na lang po natin yung mga dokumento na manggagaling sa PNP. But for the meantime, actually, I signed already the release Pero I will withdraw it because there's no decision that was come out from this honorable body. Unfortunately. Okay.
Mr. Chair. Mr.
Congressman
Chair,
Acop.
may I know the basis why we're trying to lift their one? Though they have a request? Because as far as I know, they filed a motion for reconsideration, which we did not accept. Tama po ba? Because according to your statements, these were strongly worded. Di po ba yung kay Gerald Mariano? So, have they filed for another motion to lift the suspension or the contempt order?
Not yet.
So, why are we going to act on something na hindi naman po nila hinihingi?
Yeah, we will just receive all the documents that we are asking. Yung mga documented that will be coming from them will be discussed sana dito ngayon para we will be having a resolution with regards to your resolution. But unfortunately, hindi nga po nangyari because all the documents that were submitted are not complete. And that's the reason why hindi matatapos din yung ating hearing pertaining to this. I was expecting na matatapos natin yon based on the documents, but since it will not happen, so we will not be able to continue with the lifting of the contempt. That's our position. I was thinking na ganun sana maging nangyayari, but of course, with the decision of the body, not submitting all the documents, it is the decision of this body not to lift the contempt that was meted to this PNP personnel. So yun yung ano natin doon. So anyway,
Mr. Chair, may I ask Espacio?
yeah, sure. Congressman Acop, you have the floor. Go ahead.
Attorney, 3 of your incorporators live at Afubay. Are they officers of the Armed Forces of the Philippines?
No, Your Honor. They're civilians, Your Honor.
They're civilians.
Yes, Your Honor.
Hindi po nila asawa ay opisyal. Kasi normally yung Afubay ay puro, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor. I can confirm, Your Honor.
They're not married to military officers.
No, Your Honor.
Kasi yung Rona Castillo Soretes at saka Rene Luis Huego Romagoso, they live in the same residence. If you noticed.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sino po sila?
I don't know them personally, Your Honor.
And therefore, you do not know whether they're married to military officers.
that's
At
what
dapat hindi mo sinasagot yung tanong ko. You should have said you do not know.
Yes, Your Honor.
Di ba? Kasi pangatlo, yung Lawrence Bernice Romagoso, at least, magkaparehas ang middle name nung isa at saka yung last name nung isa.
I can confirm, Your Honor, that Lawrence Bernice and is single, Your Honor.
I beg your pardon?
I can confirm that Lawrence Bernice is single, Your Honor.
Is what?
Single.
Single. Okay. Pero nagtataka lang ako. 3 doon sa 5 incorporators nakatira sa Apubay. Yung 2 huli, parehas din ang residence sa Davao City, Davao del Sur. Tama?
As per document, Your Honor, yes.
Yeah. Anyway, yun lang ang kaya tinatanong ko kung officer sa mga ito dahil yung Afubay, ang mga karamihan nakatira doon ay parang mga opisyal retired and active. Ano po?
That's
Thank you,
correct, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair.
Okay, maraming salamat.